Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the network settings. Open Settings on your Android TV and select Network. Once there, pick the active connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and choose Advanced or IP settings. You do this because DNS changes are tied to the active interface. Changing the wrong profile won't affect streaming. Make sure you have the DNS addresses written down. Once done, switch the IP settings to static so fields for DNS appear. Don't skip this step, or the boxes stay locked. You now fill in the static IP fields. Keep your current IP, gateway, and prefix length identical to avoid conflicts. These preserve connectivity. Next, enter the primary DNS and secondary DNS addresses you prepared. Type them exactly to avoid lookup failures. Once entered, save the configuration. The TV will renegotiate the network. Make sure to restart the connection or reboot the device so the new DNS is used system-wide. If an app caches DNS, relaunch the app after the reboot. You finish by verifying that DNS changes worked. Open a browser or a known app and load a page that previously behaved differently. This confirms resolution changes. If internet breaks, switch back to DHCP and retry. Common errors are wrong gateway, prefix, or mistyped DNS. Once done, reboot the router and TV and clear the app cache to remove stale DNS. If issues persist, put original settings back, test another DNS provider, then reapply carefully to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.